Smart yet simple technology has been a key part of Kuvings' success with juicers, and they have now applied that mindset to the blender world with the SV-500. Designed to be user-friendly, this intriguing blender offers great value and provides fantastic features such as noise reduction housing and vacuum suction blending. This results in a very capable device that can be controlled with just 3 buttons and a dial. The Kuvings SV-500 is a very user-orientated blender that makes use of a very intuitive interface to produce brilliant end products. The simple interface consists of just 3 buttons and a speed control dial, which combine to offer all the functions required from a high-end blender. The buttons offer settings for vacuum suction, automated vacuum blending, and automated standard blending, while the speed dial permits fine control over the very powerful 3.5 horsepower motor, which can be set to work at speeds from 2000 to 20,000 RPM. Of course, a majority of the interface is dedicated to various functions based on vacuum blending, and this is one of the main perks offered by the Kuvings SV-500. Vacuum blending is especially useful as it allows an oxygen-free environment for foods to be processed. As a result, no oxidation of useful minerals and vitamins can occur, leading to an end product that offers better nutrition and a stronger flavour. When a standard smoothie is compared to a vacuum smoothie, the difference in quality is immediately apparent. Clearly, the SV-500 has an impressive array of abilities and specifications, but that's not all. And it also impresses with an attractive yet functional design. Built to match its simple interface, the body of the SV-500 is subtly curved and is generally plain. However, this in turn complements the noise reduction housing that fits together perfectly with the motor base to cut out the noise produced by the high power motor substantially. Reduced noise levels make for a much more comfortable blending experience, even at the highest power settings. The design of the SV-500 has also been optimized for great blending performance, and the 6 heat-treated blades found within the blending container can make quick work of many different ingredients. They achieve this through tri-dimensional movement, which allows them to evenly mix ingredients while comfortably processing them to a smooth and even texture. The performance and features offered by the SV-500 make it very enticing, but alone they don't necessarily lead to an excellent blender. Luckily, this device doesn't fall short elsewhere though, and it is constructed from a range of premium BPA-free plastics. The blending container in particular is impressive, and it is made from highly durable BPA-free Triton, allowing it to comfortably handle tough ingredients that could damage other blenders using inferior materials. The container also has a 1.5 litre capacity, allowing it to take relatively large loads of ingredients at a time. However, to get the best from it, preparing large ingredients into smaller chunks and some layout consideration with softer fruits at the bottom of the container will allow for top efficiency when blending. We also found that it was important to start at lower speeds and build up to higher power levels gradually. This ensures smooth textures without heavily stressing the motor unnecessarily. Finally, as with most blenders, the Kuvings SV-500 is quick to clean after even the toughest blends. Of course, since only the blending container needs cleaning, the process is always relatively quick, but it can be made even easier by simply adding warm water and washing up liquid to the jug, before turning the SV-500 onto a high power setting. Then the contents just need to be poured away down the sink and the cleaning process is more or less over. Overall, the Kuvings SV-500 is a great blender that offers a combination of features not commonly seen in the current blender market. The noise reduction housing in particular makes an impact, and the SV-500 is one of the few domestic blenders to have this feature. When that is pieced together with a consistent vacuum blending function, a high-powered motor, and a widely optimized design, the options offered by this blender are frankly second to none in the domestic blender market.